Do you want to add your Comcast Xfinity email to your Mac, but you aren't sure where to start? Email setup can be confusing with all different settings and options involved. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to add your Xfinity mail to your Mac step by step. And if you'd like quick expert guidance, you can call our team using the numbers shown on the screen. So without wasting any time, let's get started. On your Mac desktop, click on the Apple icon, then select System Settings. Next, you need to choose the Internet option by scrolling down in the left panel. In the right side panel, select Add Account. In the pop-up window, select the Add Other Account option. Now, what you need to do is click on the Mail account. In the open pop-up box, type your name, your Xfinity email account address, and password. After entering your information, click on the Sign In button. When prompted to choose which app you want to use with your Comcast account, select Mail, and then click on Done to complete the setup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.